Oscar,
What?
who's your new girlfriend?
Janie.
Huh?
Janie.
Janie?
Yeah.
Who's Janie?
Oh, she.
Oh, Katie?
Yeah, she actually is wrong.
Katie's at my salon?
Yeah.
What does she look like?
Girl.
A girl?
Yeah.
Is she pretty?
No.
She's not pretty?
Yeah.
What is she?
Is your girlfriend?
She's your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Do you like her?
Yep.
Are you going to marry her?
No.
You're not?
You are. That's on
Yes, you did. Are you going to ask her to marry you?
What's this?
Hey, why don't you tell the camera?
What's this?
It's milk. Oscar, why don't you tell the camera, ask Kate if she'll marry you, and I'll show it to her.
Mama.
No, say, Kate, will you marry me?
Can you remember me?
Look in the phone. No, ask her.
Do you remember me?
Will you marry me? That's what he said.
You marry me?
Oscar said, will you marry me?
Lucy,
You have to say, please.
please.
Tell her you buy her diamonds.
Diamonds.
Don't start lying to her already.
Lucy. Lucy.
Say it. Show her your muscles. Maybe she won't want to marry you if you don't have big muscles. Ooh, those are big muscles. Do you think she'll want to marry you now?
Yeah.
Why? You need to sit down. Why would anybody want to marry the likes of you?
Because you are poopy head.
What?
And you found another poopy head.
What?
Say what? What?
What?
Excuse me.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Smell you later.
It's my poopy head.
Where's your lip? Where's your lip? Oh my gosh, your lips are gone.
Where's your sloop?
Is that better now?
Yep.
Who's the most beautiful?
You.
In what?
Oh,
All the land?
yeah.
Aw. Are you on the table?
Yep.
I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to be on the table. Sit, get down. Oh, like he didn't know.